Hi everyone, my name is Rosie. I am a Senior Business Development Executive here at Relative Insight, and today I'm going to be showing you all a very quick tour of the platform. This is our dashboard, which is organised into different projects which have been preloaded in here as examples for you. However, today we're going to start from scratch so that you can see just how quickly you can upload and analyse your text data. So I've got a survey file sitting on my desktop, which is an NPS survey for a mobile phone network provider. Once I drag and drop this across, what you'll see is the tool will organise the survey file very cleverly into open-ended text and different metadata that you can choose to include or exclude with the click of a button. Once you've decided what you are going to include, you simply press submit in the bottom right-hand corner, and after a few seconds, you'll see we'll have some really helpful and detailed analysis. As our customers have been expanding their use of Relative Insight, we wanted to help them address two key areas. Firstly, a fast way to get a top-line view of the data they're uploading and to show visualizations of that data, and secondly, to uncover how their data is structured and what key comparison analysis they could do in Explore to really drive more business intelligence from the data they have. Starting on the left-hand side, you can see the number of unique topics in the dataset, as well as the number of messages and the start to end date. We also have some key topics and phrases, along with the message frequency, which have all been automatically generated for you. Scrolling down, you can see those key topics visualized in a slightly more interesting way. This is a relationship map which is showing us how much any given sentiment corresponds to the topic, represented by the thickness of the lines. We also have some metadata visuals, so you can see that tenure is one of the things captured in this survey, as well as how long people have been in their contracts, the NPS score, contract type, region, and sentiment. These metadata visuals are a great way to see a top-level view of what's going on in your data and allows you to understand how your data is structured before moving on to a comparison of interest in Explore. Clicking over to topics, we have a tree map. This is visualized in percentage with topics such as belief, service, and freedom coming up. All of these are the different topics the platform has categorized the data into. It's also done the same thing on the emotions tab as well. Often you'd see a wider range, but in this case the users seem to be pretty content. Now all of these are exportable, you can put them straight into a presentation and share them along with colleagues. But once you've scanned over all of your visualizations and you want to deep dive into the data itself, what we saw coming up earlier was this phrase of good customer service. If we wanted to understand what's driving that, we can simply jump into the Explore tab, and I've set up two questions to help us answer this. The first one is I want to learn about how people that gave us a low scoring NPS talk versus those who gave us a high scoring NPS. And the second one is I want to learn about how people are talking about our mobile phone operator compared to the other ones. If I click into the second one, I'm going to take you through to some analysis in the Explore tab. Using this sentence builder here, we can see the different topics between our mobile phone operator versus the competitors, as well as the different frequencies and similarities. This is a great way to manipulate your data. Once you see something that is interesting, for example, this topic of variety, you can click into it to get more context by looking at the verbatims. When you find something of interest, you'd simply click on this light bulb. And if we go back to our Insights tab here, you can see an insight card visualized for you. So this is a space for you to collect and save all of your interesting findings to report on or to put into a presentation to easily share across with your colleagues. And that's your whistle stop tour. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website for a free trial or get in touch with a member of the team.